You guys, Miss Jenita is in the kitchen again, making these po woman, or if you want to say po man biscuits from scratch. Yes, from scratch. My own measurements. This is not the what do you call it? The self-rising flour. This is me mixing flour and stuff up to make biscuits, po woman, po man biscuits from scratch. So here I go. In this bowl, I have the flour, a little salt, some baking powder, and I'm sniffing it together thoroughly so it can be combined. And then from there, I'm gonna put some wet ingredients, okay? So here I go. So now I am making yogurt biscuits today, not heavy whipping cream and self-rising flour. These biscuits are made from scratch, and I'm using some shredded butter in here and some plain old sugar-free yogurt. I believe it is. Yeah, no, this yogurt, oh my goodness, it's vanilla. I didn't know I had vanilla, but anyway, it'll be all good. But I usually use the plain yogurt, but I didn't know I had picked up vanilla. But anyway, here we go. My wet ingredients, I'm about to, you know, combine these things together as gently as possible, because you don't want to overwork the dough because they get tough, and I don't want tough. I want fluffy and high rise. So let me do this part. I should have my camera standing here so I can keep going, but that's all right. I can just do the video this way. Y'all, let me get this thoroughly combined and I'll be back. Okay, so I got the dough all mixed up with the wet ingredients. This is what it looks like. It feels amazing. I know some people don't like all the dough in their hand, but it's soft and billowy and smooth. And now I'm not going to try and overwork it. I'm going to start now separating it. I'm going to separate it into 2 balls. And then from there, I'm going to prep it to be turned into biscuits. So I'll be back with that in a second. Okay, I got 1 ball of the dough flattened out to be ready to be cut. I'm using this old cookie cutter holder container to make the biscuits. You can see it round. I'm going to cut them out. And here's the other ball for the second batch. So let me just do like this. Oh, I need to put a little bit more flour on it so it won't stick. And this is how I'm doing the biscuits. There's a biscuit right there. Okay, so I'm going to continue this. I'm going to put them in the pan, show you that, butter them, put them in the refrigerator for a few. So when I get ready to cook them, they'll be ready. So hold on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have 1 pan down and 1 to go, or maybe 2 more to go. Be back. Okay, guys, I got the biscuits buttered, and I'm about to put them in the refrigerator until I am ready to cook them. Placing the parchment paper on top. Yes, indeed. All of them got a fitted parchment paper. Okay, into the fridge they go. Back when they're done. Final results. Now I'm about to get ready to prepare some Salisbury steak, homemade mashed potatoes, and string beans. We love string beans. Be back in a little bit. Okay, y'all, these biscuits are ready. These are the yogurt made from scratch, po woman, po man, Little House on the Prairie inspired biscuits. That's what it looks like on the inside. They're fluffy, they're moist, they're delicious. My husband likes them. That's the only approval I need. If he love it, I know they good. Back there, y'all, is my my new little skillet I got. I love it. And inside here or the Salisbury steak gravy. Oh, it's hot. And I'm making some mashed potatoes, and we got some string beans back there. Dinner for today. Loving it. Hope y'all enjoyed me making these scratch biscuits with yogurt, butter, flour, salt, baking powder. Love them, love them. My timer going off. Thank you for watching. Check with y'all in a little bit for some further goings on. Probably. Okay, guys, I finally got this other stuff up here. Now, let me share. I got some of that sweet smelling pine sol multi-surface cleaner. Lemon Fresh. Now, this cleaner here is not, it doesn't say it disinfects, but it sure can clean, and it does smell good. So it will be mixed with the pine sol that kills COVID and other viruses. I'll mix it with that, but I love this pine sol just a little bit. So I got that, and it is a it's 100 fluid ounces. Then what else did we get? I got some ground turkey because I'm about to make some ground turkey burgers. Prep them, big batch ground turkey burgers. So for the convenience, go in there and get a serving, a 1 serving, 2 serving, because the burgers will be packaged, so you can just get one and cook it. Love this convenience of big batch prepping, storing meat in the freezer. Get into it. Try it out. And as you can see back there, I got my Honey Nut Cheerios, because I love Honey Nut Cheerios. And okay, what else we got up here? Husband got some 24 count variety pack planters. It's got cashews, salted peanuts, and honey roasted peanuts. Gotta love them. And we also got some La Banderita corn tortillas for tacos, and enchiladas, and whatever else we want to make with the taco shells. Fry up some shells to eat with salsa, or make a taco salad or something. You know, you can do that. Make your own shells, cut them up and fry them, and you have your own fresh tortillas. Yes, you can. And I also got the Member Mark butter. I think that was 11. And it only had the salted kind. I usually only buy the unsalted, but this would be my first time getting the salted one. And I got some celery back there. I noticed the celery be going bad kind of fast, but I like to use a lot of celery in my spaghettis, chili macs, stews, or anything that I use celery in. And we got some orange juice. Like I say, we're trying to knock out this mess going around here. The orange juice is 52 fluid ounces, no pulp. So we're going to try that. Use that to help, you know, put some nutrients and vitamins in us to help combat these flus, colds, and viruses that leave nasty side effects. And I know we're not the only family that have some side effects from this virus. It's been talked about for all along, what is 2-3 years. This mess hit us and it ain't left. It ain't never leaving. We got to deal with this mess and taking a lot of our loved ones, friends, and family, and left all these horrible side effects. That's what I got to tell it. I got to tell it. Update my well wishes to me and my family, loved ones. Oh, so I got to put the rest of this stuff up here, because what's next? Do I feel like even putting up? I picked up some, well, that's for my gardening channel, because I did get me some soil. And I got some, we got some laundry soap. And them suckers definitely not going up here. I think I showed y'all that. Well, no, I'm finna get y'all mixed up with my gardening channel. I had caught some rainwater in one of them buckets out there. If y'all want to see the bucket, that's the washing powder came out of that bucket. We got 2 of those. I got some Downies on sale for $11. I got some more of the, see, I got the yellow pine saw and I got the dark brown one, the regular pine saw. What else did I get? Y'all seen the lettuce. You seen the celery back there. Yeah, I'm trying to think what else we got. I got the ground beef I gotta put up here. I got some big, one of them long rolls of ground beef. I got to put up here and share with y'all. Hold up, let me get that ground beef.